Alright, guys. Um, you have. What do you have? Okay, you have that expression there. Alright, you have that expression there, and our angles are between 90 and 270. So we thought using calculator, let's do our shandays. Right. So this is a special angles problem. Right. The reason I could spot it, I know I have square root of 3 for side, not for sine, for I have a square root of 3 and a 2 and a 1 in one triangle, and I see the square root of 3, I see 2, so it clicks. So here I could say cosec, say cosec theta equals to minus 2 over square root of 3, right? And basically here, you know that, what do you know? Sine equals to sine theta equals to blah, 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 y over r, and therefore cosec 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 theta will therefore be equals to r over y, right? No, r over y, right? So that tells you that here you have r over y, but you also know that there's no way r can be negative, so therefore that negative is for square root of 3, right? So that means you have a coordinate where you have x, which is unknown, and you have minus square root of 3, right? Cool stuff. And then we can try to use those to find what, um to find x, right? So I will divide this, right? So here, this is where I'm finding x. I have x squared plus y squared equals to r squared. And of course, now these are on your worksheet, right? These things here, they are on your worksheet, so that people see, oh, this is how he came to the conclusion that you're actually coming up to. So you have x squared plus y squared, which is minus square root of 3, right, squared, and then you have r squared, which is 2, right, squared. Therefore 3 equals to, x squared equals to 4 minus 3, which is 1, right? Therefore x is equals to 1, right? And since you know that cos is equals to x over r, you already have the value of x now. But also sometimes you see this thing it's very important, because it tells you where in your Cartesian plane is the point located, right? So you're going to use it to say this is our Cartesian plane, and this is 0, this is 90, 180, and 270, right? So therefore our angle is going to be somewhere in this region between 90 and 270. So our angle is here, yeah? And then on the side, cosec, which is technically inverse of sine, or we can talk about sine. Sine is negative, no? But we know sine is negative only here, right? Oh my word. Okay, so we know that sine is positive only here. This is the only quadrant. It's not the only quadrant, of course. We have a where all of them are positive, but talking about 1, 2, 3 quadrants, sine is only positive here. But here, from this, we got that a sine is actually negative, because when you substitute, you have negative square root of 3 over 2, right? Sine is negative. Therefore, we are on this quadrant, and therefore you know that your x is going to be what? You have a negative x value, you have a negative y value, right? Therefore x is equals to minus 1, right? and therefore you have your point P, which is minus 1 square root of minus square root of 3. Yeah, well, so you see, those few things were able to help us come to such conclusions. Now this is us working on the solution. Now you'll be like, okay, cos theta, and in fact, I mean, yeah, okay, let me forget. So cos theta equals to x over r minus 1 over 2. Right, and then friends, you're done. Right, you are done. Oh, they even said use a sketch to determine the value of the force. So we did use a sketch. I didn't say that, but yeah, you had to use a sketch. But yeah, this is the sketch, and this is the solution. Yeah, we done. And then we go here. This one, they say sine. So sine, I know sine is y over r multiplied by tangent. Tangent, I know it's y over x, and then the whole thing, we are dividing it by x over r. So therefore you have y over r, y over x multiplied by r over x, right? And then yeah, we just change the sign here. We're multiplying this r, will divide this r, right? Therefore you have y squared over x squared, which is y, that is minus square root of 3, x, that is minus 1, squared, and therefore you have 3, right? You're gonna have 3. And even if you substitute right away, because I know there will be people who would do that, right? They will say, oh, maybe I removed too much. So I know that some people, they would do this now. They would substitute to say y is square root of 3 over r, which is 2, multiplied by y square root of 3 minus square root of 3 over x, which is minus 1. Then say divide by x, which is minus 1 over 2, right? We do our math. You have positive 3 here, but the negative, so you're going to have square root of, positive 3 all over negative 2, right? Then we change the division to multiplication. You have 2 over my negative 1. This 2 divides this 2, this negative becomes positive. Then you have 3, right? So it doesn't really matter how you do it. So okay, they also say if theta is 25 and alpha is 38, determine the value of cos theta, I want to say cos 2 theta minus, right? So this one I don't see anywhere outside it. It's very simple. You have 2, or you can just do this. You can do this now. You can say 2 alpha minus theta equals to 2 into 38 minus 25, right? Your calculator times 38 minus 25, you get 51, and therefore you say therefore cos 51 equals to even, oh no, hey, not the shift, just a normal cos. Alright, cos 51 equals to 0. They say to one decimal place, so 0.6. Alright, yeah, I don't see anywhere outside this. Yeah. Let's see here what we have. Without using a calculator, this is where your special angles comes in. So of course you know your triangle very well. I'm assuming you have 30, you have 1 over 2, you have square root of 3, 90, you have 60. You have 1 square root of 2, 45, 45, 90. They like cosec, ne? So this is how you do it, ne? These are reciprocals. This is how they are. So cosec squared. Well, let me just talk about cosec theta is 1 over sine theta. This is basically them, right? So now what you do, you like here you have 1 over sine 60, right, plus tan squared, oh I forgot the squared, 45 plus sec, which is 1 over cos 60, right? You do your math, so you have 1 divided by sine 60, opposite over hypotenuse, so square root of 3 over 2, and we are squaring it, plus tan 45, it's just going to be 1 from 1 over 1, 1 over 1 plus 1 divided by 1 over 2. Yeah, this one doesn't have a squared, so it's just gonna stay like that. You have 1 multiplied by 4 over 3 plus 1, right, plus this is going to be 1 multiplied by 2, 4 over 3 plus 1 plus 2, right? So that is 4 over 3 plus 3 over 3 plus 6 over 3. You do the math, you have 13 over 3. Let me just see it. 1 over sine 60 times sine 60 plus tan 45, and even tan 45 was squared, so it doesn't even make any difference because 1 squared is just 1. This is how much we're getting, 4.3333, right, which is 13 over 3 like we did get. So we get then we have this guy, we are solving for theta. So you divide by 2, 1 over 2, then you do your thing. $26.57 plus 45. Right, just like that, bro. You are done. And yes, the angle is between 0 and 90 degrees. All right, cool. We have something here. We have something here. All right, so they say refer to the diagram above, and without using a calculator, write down the value of these. So we're not using a calculator at all. So yeah, term P. Here is P, right? So for P, I think you'd focus on triangle. This is P, Q, or you have 24, you have 10, and you have theta. Tan theta is opposite, which is 24, over adjacent, which is 10, which is 2.4. And then sine S Q R, right? S Q R. Let me see, we also have S R Q S R Q. Okay, so now we focus on a new triangle. Let's do that. In fact, let me do it my way. I have S R Q S Q 8 S R 6, and we have 10. So they're looking for angle SQR. Here you can use any of the three trigonometric ratios because you have all the sides, so it's all up to you. All right, so here this angle, right, it's facing here. I can use tan and say opposite over adjacent, or I could use sine and say opposite over hypotenuse, or I could use cos and say adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So I'll use sine. So sine of this angle is opposite. Oh, I didn't even have a choice to use sine. So sine of this angle is opposite over hypotenuse, right? Which is 3/5. And then cos theta is here, right? I shouldn't have removed that old triangle. So this is theta. Cos theta is going to be so cos theta, we have this side, cos is yeah, this is 10 over hypotenuse, which is 26. Let me check. 26 is PR, yes, is it? So it's 10 over 26. And then sec, remember sec is 1 over cos, right? Yeah, 1 over cos theta. So you focus, the angle is the angle is SRQ. So this is our focus. We are focusing here on this angle, né? So yeah, right on that angle, cos theta is 6/10, right? So therefore here we have 1 over 6/10, which is 1 divided by 6/10, which is 1 multiplied by 10/6. So you just say this is 10/6. And you even could tell from here, this is cos theta, therefore sec, oh no, oh yeah, here it is. Wait. Oh, they are different angles. So yeah, you had to do it this way either way, like just the way I did it. Without using a calculator, determine the value of cot. So cot is 1 over tan, right, theta, right, and we are dividing that by cosec. Cosec is 1 over sine theta, right? Before anything, I could just say I have 1 over tan theta multiplied by sine theta, being sine theta over tan theta, which is sine theta divided by tan theta. This is how I'm gonna write it. But of course, guys, so here it's not theta, it's S. Oh man, this angle, let me say that is alpha. And then I have alpha. Okay, this is theta. I have alpha. Yeah, so that means now I'm like, what is sine alpha? So alpha is SRQ. SRQ. So here's SRQ. So sine of this angle is opposite, right? Opposite over hypotenuse. So that means I have opposite, which is sine 8 over 10 divided by 8 over 10 divided by tangent, which is tan is 8 over 6. They cancel. 6 over 10. 6 over 10. I remember there was a time when I was like, you're gonna learn about this identity that say tan theta is sine theta over cos theta. Ne? So I just want to show you something quick. So we have sine. Let me use a different color. You have sine alpha. Sine alpha. No, it doesn't matter because the angles are different. Yeah, because I was gonna try to cook something, but the angles are different. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, damn. So let's go back. Tangent theta. Here is theta. Shit. Aubana. Just says. Aubana. Okay, here is theta. So theta is so tan theta in this case is going to be 24 over 10. So here we have divided by 24 over 10. And then here we still have, so it's sine and this angle, so it's still 8 over 10. So 8 over 10. Joe Molandra. Multiply by 10 over 24. And then the 10 and then 8 over 24 is gonna give, I think, 1 over 3. 8 over 24. Yeah, 1 over 3. Oh, John. Yo. Nah, it was sad to see that mistake that I did. Very sad. But cool. I'll see you guys on the next chapter. Yeah. All right.